Hey folks, Mr. Olson here with another quick homework overview. This is for your homework that is going out the morning of Monday, May 10th. So far in this unit, we have focused mainly on treatment of African Americans, discrimination, and kind of the civil rights movement. But this unit is a broader unit about change and social movements in other ways. And as we move into kind of the second half of the unit, we're going to branch out a little bit. And we're going to be looking at some other different areas in which people fought and tried to change things in a better way. And for this next assignment, we're going to be going back in time a little bit to the early 1900s. We're going to be looking at what was called the Progressive Era. And the Progressive Era was called the Progressive Era because people were trying to make progress. They were trying to move society forward. And this was a nationwide movement. We're going to be looking at kind of how things played out here in Minneapolis. And to do this, you're going to be using your Northern Lights text. We're going to be using portions of the Chapter 13 Northern Lights text. And so there are two different versions of this assignment. Most of you will have version 1. A few of you will have version 2. If you have version 2, the directions for version 1 still mostly apply. There'll just be a couple slight tweaks that should be pretty apparent as you look at your version. But what you'll do for this assignment is follow the link to mnhs.org/NL right here. Get yourself logged in. Remember, the username is 612. The password is Loon. I'm already logged in. And then you're going to navigate yourself to Chapter 13, The Common Good. Once you're there, you'll click Read, and then you're gonna only use certain segments of the chapters. So this is one of those assignments where there's what you need to do to earn a 6. There's what you need to do to earn an 8. To earn a 6, you need to do the first question plus fill in the table as completely as possible based on reading the indicated sections. So for question 1, it says, what does the term common good mean? So you're going to read page 1303 for that. So if you flip ahead to 1303, you'll read that page, and based off of what you find in that page, you will define the term common good. Then you will continue on, and you'll see there's this table, and this table tackles 5 different progressive issues. And what you're going to do is you're going to fill it in by identifying what the Minnesota example was, and then what was done specifically to fix it. Now, I've pre-filled in a couple to give you an idea of kind of what I'm looking for. So for votes for women, I already added the Minnesota example, and for health dangers, I already added the progressive reforms. You'll notice in both cases, I'm being very specific. So try to be as specific as possible. Now, again, you're not reading the entire chapter. So government corruption is on page 1304. Okay. And then votes for women, 1304 to 1306. Railroad monopolies, 1308. Logging practices, 1309. Health dangers, 1312 and 1314. Then that is to earn a 6. To earn a 7 or an 8, you get 2 kind of like extra little bonus questions at the end. And there's 2 sidebars with questions that you will answer. Question 3 is going to ask you to go back to 1305 and utilize this little blue sidebar on Claire Euland. And you will list 3 methods that she used to promote women's suffrage. And then if you jump ahead to page 1313, you'll have Thomas and Amanda Lyles, who were 2 early, late 19th, early 20th century activists for the African American civil rights movement. And you'll have a question to answer them about 3 of their activities that they did to support the African American community. So, as usual, this is going out Monday morning, May 10th at 8. It is due Monday, May 17th at 8. Also, as usual, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, send me an email, come see me during office hours. That's it. Good luck.